Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks for stopping by. This is the Sense Energy Monitor, and I wanted to share this with you guys today because I'm not sure how long this is going on. But right now you can get 20% off the Sense Home Energy Monitor if you use the link in the description below. We are part of the beta referral program, and so they've been kind enough to offer you guys, my subscribers, a discount on it for a limited time. I believe there will always be a discount, but I'm not sure if it'll always be 20% off. So if you use that link down below, it will also help support my channel just a little bit. So if you're interested in getting one of these, I'd say go ahead and do it. This is actually the second one. This one's going to be going at my dad's place, and I have mine installed, which I'm going to try to get an installation video put up here soon, but I just have been kind of busy / haven't done it. But anyway, pick one up. They're normally $300, so 20% off. You're getting them for about $60 off, which I think is a pretty fantastic discount. Now, I would also say that if you run into issues or you don't like it as much as you thought you would, you can return this thing within 60 days and get a 100% refund, if I'm understanding it correctly, which I'm pretty sure that's exactly how it is. So you can get your money back if it doesn't work the way you thought it was going to, so don't have a lot to lose. Yeah, so I'm excited about it, and I think you guys will really enjoy it as well. So here's, I know I did an unboxing already, so you can check out that video. I'll link that in the description too, but these clamp around your main lines coming into your main electrical panel, and then it uses the amperage that these measure to figure out how much power you're currently using. And let me see if I can pull up the app here. Well, here's their web interface, so you can see the current usage that I have going on here at my place. You can see the furnace ramp up. It's an ECM furnace, so it slowly ramps up, and now you can see our current wattage is at 1,132 watts. You can input your, it's not showing me here. On the app, it shows you how much you're spending per hour if you put in the information for, oh, there's the week, so I've only had it installed. Oh, here we go. Those really high spikes, those are my electric water heater, but it's pretty amazing how granular you can get. Let's go up here and see if it can show me the devices it's found in about a week. And let's see here, fridge 2, heat 1, Keurig coffee maker, water heater. So those are the devices it's found so far. I don't know what device 1 is. It doesn't know either, but basically that's one of the things that people have kind of complained about with the Sense Energy Monitors. It can't figure out exactly what all of your different devices are. But the cool thing, I just so happen to have, or there are rumors going around that they're going to be adding compatibility with some smart plugs. So these deals that you can plug into the wall and plug a certain device into it, and then the Sense Energy Monitor will be able to add that device or know what that smart plug is. And so I think you can basically train the Sense Energy Monitor to recognize more devices. But to me, I like the fact that I can just see the meter and see what's currently happening, and that I find that to be the most useful overall. So there we go. Pretty interesting. So again, use that link in the description, get yourself a good discount and support the channel a little bit, and I appreciate it a whole bunch. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys in the next video. See ya. Oh, and I should mention that I will update the title of this video to be whatever the current discount is. So right now it's 20% off, but it might go down after the end of the year, I believe. So anyway, thanks again. See you guys.